Alright, so the exhaust's in. All new studs, all new bolts. Everything's nice and new there. Gotta put the heat shield on, gotta put the oxygen sensor in, gotta put the fuel rail on, gotta put the intake on, gotta put the thermostat housing, thermostat, and all of the piping. It's like a freaking snake pit down here on freaking wires and hoses. Instead of snakes and ladders, it's wires and hoses. Hose? Just hoses. Yeah, hose are fun. Hoses are